Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. After that, tap on your profile icon. So the first thing is to go ahead and find the specific TikTok that you want to put into a playlist. After that, tap on 3 dots at the bottom right corner of that specific TikTok video right here. And then simply tap on Add to Playlist at the very bottom. From here, tap on Create Playlist. Here it will allow you to name a playlist, and this will be public. Write anything you want. And then tap on Next. From here, tap on Add. And now you can see the video has been added to the playlist. And you can check the video in your playlist that you created. This is how you can easily make a playlist on TikTok. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.